My name is Peter Kiruke Mwamba. I started farming here a while ago, a couple of decades. Since about 1977 is when I acquired this farm. And I've tried many things, very many things. I've tried many machines to pump water from the river. And now I'm sort of settling on the SunCulture, this solar energy thing, which is quite economical to me. And I find it quite convincing. I got 4 major crops: oranges, plantain, bananas, pawpaws, and coffee. If you consider the cost of watering, you find that there is a very, very big saving, very big. The amount of time spent when the pump breaks down, when the engine itself, because when you go to use the fuel pumping, you have got 2 components here. You have got the engine separate and the pump separate. Any of them could break any time. So if you consider the amount of time you would spend in the garage and the expense of taking it to town and having it in the garage, the spares that would be fitted in, the time wasted in the garage, can't compare with the SunCulture. SunCulture is so comfortable because nothing else that you are doing. We don't take anything to a garage. If I was given the option to tell anybody what to do, I would say use SunCulture energy, solar energy, because it is very economical. Yes, I'm paying 49.49. That's about 4,949, but I round up to about 5,000 bob a month. When I was using 2,000 to 3,000 bob a day, you see the difference is so huge. So I would advise anybody, with a good river frontage, to go to SunCulture.